am Ayush Sharma. Welcome to my channel Symbiosis Biology Tutorials. In the previous video, I have described characteristics of living things. Today, I am going to describe habitat and components of habitat. So first of all, we will know what is habitat. Habitat is a place where animal lives or resides. Different animals have different habitats. Habitats can be a forest, a grassland, a water body, etc. Now let's move to components of habitat. Habitat is made up of mainly two components, abiotic and biotic. Abiotic components include air, water, soil, temperature and light, whereas biotic components include producers, consumers and decomposers. So let's know about them one by one. First of all, abiotic components. Air. What is air? Air is a mixture of gases. It is a mixture of 78.08% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and a trace amount of some other gases. Oxygen is taken by all organisms for respiration. In aerobic respiration, carbon dioxide is released as byproduct. Carbon dioxide is used by plants for photosynthesis. Nitrogen gas is also very important for all organisms. Animals get it from plants get it from soil. Soil bacteria like blue-green algae fix nitrogen from air to soil. Air occupies space, has weight, and exerts pressure. Now let's move to our next abiotic component, which is water. Water is elixir of life. It is an important constituent of our body. It is an important part of our food. I have already discussed water in my previous video. You may watch that. The link will be in description. Our body is made up of 60 to 80% of water. Now let's know about soil. Soil is also essential for all living beings. It holds air and water in it. It provides mineral, water, etc. to plants. Many animals live in soil by making burrows and holes. They are called rodents. It forms the uppermost layer of Earth's crust. Now let's move to our next abiotic component, which is temperature. Temperature is a measurement that tells us how hot or cold something is. Earth is the only planet with a suitable temperature for life to exist. Even on Earth, temperature is different in different parts of Earth. Temperature affects feeding, reproduction, etc. of organisms. Now let's know about our last abiotic component, which is light. Light is a form of energy which sensitizes our eyes that enables us to see around us. It is the fastest traveling energy with a speed of about 3 lakh km per second. It travels in a straight line. Visible light is a mixture of 7 colors, namely red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. Light affects photosynthesis, germination, movement, growth of plants. It keeps some animals more active in daytime in comparison to night. Now let's move to our biotic components. There are only three major biotic components: producers, consumers, and decomposers. So let's know about them one by one. First of all, producers. Green plants and blue-green algae are known as producers because they can prepare their own food. They are also known as autotrophs. They make food by the process of photosynthesis. The equation of photosynthesis is 6 CO2 plus 12H2O in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll makes glucose, that is C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Now let's know about consumers. Animals are called consumers. There are three types of consumers: primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers. Primary consumers include herbivores, secondary consumers include small carnivores, and tertiary consumers include large carnivores. Primary consumers feed on producers. Secondary consumers feed on primary consumers. And tertiary consumers feed on secondary consumers. Now let's move to our last biotic component, which is decomposers. Bacteria and most of the fungi are known as decomposers because they can decompose dead and decaying matter. Scavengers also clean up our earth, but they are not called decomposers because they can't decompose dead and decaying matter. Decomposers and scavengers are jointly called nature's cleaners because without them our earth will be a heap of dead and decaying matter. If my video is informative to you, please like and comment on my video. Do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell button for upcoming videos and share my video as much as possible to support me. Thank you.